Hey friends, this is Atif here. And welcome to the new update on Theta. Recently, the price of Theta has broken down the support of a down channel. By the way, this down channel is considered as a bullish bias, but in this case, we have broken down the support of the channel. And the technical target for this breakdown from this channel is, by the way, here. That was approximately at $1.30. In fact, at $1.26. And you can see that the price then dropped more than that, and it has dropped up to approximately $1.14, but could not break down this very long-term support of $1.30, by the way. Yeah, that was recently breaking a support here. Let me just show you on the 7 day time frame chart. Then you can see that this $1.30, this support has been previously breaking as a resistance here. Almost as a resistance here, by the way. If we move back here, then here it falls breaking other resistance, resistance, and now again it can work as a support. In fact, it is working as a support. If you take a look at the daily time frame chart, then you can see that this despite this long spike, the pricing could not break it down. However, if it will break it down, then the next long-term support will be here at 90 cents. And let me just show you on the 7 day time frame chart once again. Then you can see that this 90 cents has been previously breaking as support here. For several weeks, it has been breaking as support here and resistance here and support here as well. And I would also like to show you this previous breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of January 2025 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like the trade setup for Phantom, Sonic, previously Phantom coin, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup, and then it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this trade setup. Like this trade setup I shared on 22nd of January 2025 with my members. And here you can also watch the complete trade setup as well. Like this was the buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and reached the sell target zone. Now, let me to take you to the live chart of Theta, and here you can see that Theta is, by the way, breaking out different down channels one after another. Like first, it broke out this very massive down channel, and by the way, before the breakout, it also formed this falling wedge pattern as well. Then broke out another down channel. We had a nice short pump, and recently on the daily time frame chart, it formed another down channel, but this time Bryson could not break it out. Despite this pattern is considered as a bullish pattern, but this time it has broken down the support. Now for the breakdown, it has dropped down, and the next very strong and long-term support of $1.30 that had been previously breaking as a resistance here and resistance here, and now again it is breaking as a support. The previous resistance is now flipped into a support. In case of breaking it down, it can drop down to the next long-term support of 90 cents. That is also the recent swing low point before the breakout from this previous down channel. You can see that we tested the support here, and then we broke out the channel, and before that it was working as a support here and support here, resistance here, support here, and therefore again it can work as a strong support for the price line of Theta. By the way, during this drop, we have also broken down this very significant support zone that was previously breaking the resistance zone here, support zone here, and recently it was breaking at the resistance zone here, but after the breakout, while retesting the previous resistance zone as support zone, the price and could not save this level as support. And now it can again act as a very strong resistance zone. And this resistance zone starts from $2.20 and goes to $2.55. And we have also broken down this very significant support of exponential moving average 21 as well. That was previously breaking as a very strong resistance here for several weeks or months. And here for a few weeks, it has been breaking as support after the breakout. But now after the breakdown, again, it can work as a strong resistance for the price line of Theta. Now, if you take a look at the technical targets, because we have already broken out this channel, and there is a probability that after this price correction, the price may start another move to the outside, hit the target for the breakout from this channel. That technical target is about to be here at the top of the channel, approximately at $3.80. And the long-term target for the breakout from this big and long-term down channel will be here at the top of the channel. That will be somewhere between $16 to $20. This also update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.